Hey guys, a very good morning. So I just want to take these few seconds before the start of this video to thank every single one of you for subscribing to my channel. It's my birthday today, and on my birthday what I always do is I of course reflect over how the past year went, and I just want to let you guys know that you're all helping me accomplish my YouTube goals and that I appreciate every single one of you who has been contributing to this journey of mine on YouTube. So with that said, I just want to let you guys know that there's a massive giveaway coming in regards to something trading and funding related. So maybe an FTMO giveaway, who knows? So make sure to join the Discord server, link is in the description down below. And with that said, let's dive straight into this video. Okay, hi guys, a very good morning once again. So to start off with, of course, the dollar index. So the dollar index was moving very slow yesterday. Looking at the 1 hour, we can just see all this consolidative price action. But what is good is that it is ascending consolidative price action, of course. So ascending consolidative price action essentially is a sign of potential bearishness to come. So we actually have the exact same situation as we had over here. And yeah, we could still see that massive drop further in towards the lows. These are these are my two levels of interest from where I do expect the dollar index to potentially start pushing back downwards. So if we see a push down on the dollar index, that will mean that euro dollar will finally make its next leg up, and we can potentially start looking for some new entries on euro dollar. So in my opinion, euro dollar still needs to make one more leg down. Looking at the 4 hour, yeah, it would just be beautiful to see that last leg in towards the lows. Over here, if we just quickly draw in this fib, what we can see at the moment is that we have had our first wave, second, third, fourth, and I'm now currently waiting for that fifth and last impulse back down in towards the lows. So beautiful to see that those -618 has reacted as support. And yeah, what I'm now expecting is at least a 0 fib to now act as resistance, or for us to move up even higher, of course, and to then start dumping and making that last fifth wave back towards the third trendline touch of the lower trendline, and potentially also our zone at 92.277. So yeah, that is it for the dollar index at the moment. I'm just going to leave it like that. If we do break up higher, I will of course update you guys, but for now I am still looking for those shorts further in towards the lows. So with that said, let's head over to Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar has been moving beautifully. So Aussie dollar just hit my zone as I explained yesterday. We were of course waiting for more downside, and we have now touched my zone. This is my potential longing zone, so I will start looking for reversals from this zone. Okay guys, this is a higher time frame buying zone, and what we need to do is at least take out this low over here. So just going to be waiting for us to take out that low. Once that low has been taken out, we can start looking for a pullback back up in towards the highs. So yeah, that is Aussie dollar, just waiting for that reversal pattern to form. We'll update you guys on Discord if it does. So with that said, let's head over to euro dollar. And euro dollar. So euro dollar of course has been pushing back up in towards the highs after reacting beautifully to my area of demand. Going in towards the 4 hour, we can of course see that the euro dollar has been acting very choppy since yesterday. Of course, a very slow Monday, but at least we are seeing that descending price action. So at the moment, what we're waiting for, of course, is just for a potential, and now the channel is looking hideous, but essentially what we're just waiting for, of course, is for a reaction to move back up in towards the highs. So not really a big fan of drawing a trend line in on this setup, but what I am looking for is I'm just going to remove this risk to reward tool. But what I am looking for is a reaction from one of my yellow lines, preferably of course this second or third one. But I will be trading this in accordance with the dollar index, so just going to keep an eye on the dollar index as an additional confluence to take euro dollar up one more time. So still looking for longs on euro dollar, and I do expect those longs to come soon. These levels are my levels of interest, and you will see that we will get a reaction to them. So as you can for instance see is that this 1 hour level is already reacting, and we are seeing that pullback back up. So yeah, let's see what happens. Anything could happen today. I'm just going to be waiting for something nice. A nice channel or wedge for instance would be beautiful. Just seeing it move down lower like this in towards our lowest area of interest of course would be the best. But yeah, I'll just see and adapt. Just wait for the dollar index to hit some key levels and see if we get any reaction. Yeah, so that's euro dollar for you. Let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar moving down as well beautifully. Not much to say, to be honest. We're just moving down as expected, waiting for this level down here to get hit at least, and preferably of course even this level down there. But we're just gonna have to wait what the price action is once we come and reach those levels, right? So just gonna be waiting, currently just sitting in this descending consolidative channel in towards the lows, nothing much yet. Let's just wait until we hit this zone at least, then we'll start looking for some potential longs on, let's say, the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so that's that for pound dollar. Let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar has also rejected beautifully. So as you guys know, I was talking about this setup over here with, of course, the 618 fib over here. Personally didn't take it just because I wasn't a real big fan of Kiwi dollar in general. Looking at the higher time frame, or at least also as well on the 4 hour, it's just but one big consolidation area, and it's getting messier and messier in my opinion. We just need to start breaking out and choosing some direction. But looking at Kiwi dollar for the moment, the daily has now flipped bearish. The 4 hour is extremely bearish and the 1 hour is also extremely bearish. Looking at Kiwi dollar, what I want to see form, essentially because we're now currently situated within an area of daily demand, is for us to start correcting in towards lows. Look for that 1, 2, 3 setup to potentially trade a pullback after this massive leg in towards the downside. I am expecting some sort of correction to happen before seeing a push back up, because of course after such a large move, essentially from here all the way to, let's say, here, it does need a correction. So let's wait for that to happen, and just let's wait and see if our reversal pattern forms for us to take some potential longs. So with that said, let's head over to our last pair, which is gold. And as we can see, gold is just continuing to move up higher, which is nothing that special, to be honest. This is a zone that I'm looking at from 1804 to 1831. So what I want to see is I want to see how we react to that zone, right? So if we come into that zone correctively, we could start looking for a short. Of course, we're already forming this potential channel over here, or wedge, excuse me. So let's see if we can like spike up, spike back down, and then you can start looking for a short. Or what the safer option is wait for a spike in towards the zone, then wait for the breakout, then trade this 618 setup back down lower in accordance with an area of supply, for instance. So gold is not ready yet. People have been messaging me every single day about gold, but guys, a lot of pairs are looking better than gold, and in trading it's just trading what the best pair is at that specific moment in time. There's no added use in trying to force a trade on gold just because gold sounds like fun. Yeah, so with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure to send me a message on either Discord or on the comment section down below. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Make sure to join Discord because there will be a massive giveaway this weekend. So yeah, make sure to join, and I can't wait to speak to you all tomorrow morning. Thanks guys.